Pick your cool, please. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. No, Richard.
Yes, my dear.
I hope you remember to come along with your speech this time. So that what happened the last time will not repeat itself. Because you forgot a well-prepared speech.
I am ready for this.
Very well then. Let's go. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
It's okay. Please, guards!
Guards!
Take him to the car. Let's take him to the hospital. Hey!
Mother! What's going on?
Please, let's carry him inside. Let's take him inside. No, inside the house.
everybody. I want to give my unreserved gratitude to everybody who has come here today. It's a thing of joy that my people have given me the mandate. They want me to be their governor. And I promise on my honor to carry out my duty as the #1 citizen of the state, to carry everybody along for progress and development. We are going to transform this state. We are going to turn this state into a first world. We are going to bring jobs, employment opportunities, startups, healthcare, education, technology. We are going to put this state on a pedestal, on a map, on my honor as Prince Harry, the homeboy. Power to the people! Power to the people! Power to the people! It is well with you all. Yes. Now we shall go into the refreshments.
Doctor, what other options do we have? My father's health is deteriorating really fast. What can we do? Anything it is. Let us know we are ready to go all the way.
His heart is failing. But we can still do something. Excuse me.
My king, your father is awake. My king, are you alright? Igwe,
Father, how do you feel?
are you alright?
How do you feel? Father, listen. You'll be fine.
Yes.
I promise you. We'll do everything in our powers to make sure you get back on your feet.
Yes, my king.
Where is your brother?
Father, Harry will be here soon. I'm sure of that. Okay?
I want to see him.
My king, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? The doctor already said you need rest. So relax. Don't bother yourself. Okay? He's going to call him on phone. He'll soon be here.
You've reached the protocol officer.
Yes. Please, I need to speak to Harry right away.
Sir, he's indisposed now. I cannot speak with him right now.
Are you dumb? Didn't you get what I just said? I said I want to speak to my brother right away.
This is normal protocol, sir. He's in a function now. He cannot be distracted.
My friend, will you give the damn phone to my... Give the phone to my brother right now.
Mr. Chairman, the strategy is that we make sure that we
Your brother was on the phone earlier. They said he's organized.
Like, are you really serious?
I'm sorry, Your Excellency. He said it's urgent.
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman. Victor, now is not a good time to talk.
Father needs to see you right now. Please.
I'm in a meeting. A very important meeting. Moreover, I'm coming home tomorrow.
What's your problem? Harry, you can do better than this. Please. You need to come back. Dad needs to talk to you.
Okay. Hand him the phone.
What? Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. You... Listen, Harry. You need to come back right now. Father needs to speak with you. I beg you. Please.
Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.
Harry. Hello?
Sorry about that. Like I was saying, we need to come here the whole local government areas.
Victor. What is going on? Your father is still bent on speaking with him. What are we going to do?
I spoke with Harry.
Okay.
I tried everything possible to convince him to come back, but he wouldn't listen.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
I personally tried his lines.
Did you succeed?
No. They were not connecting. What are we going to do?
Majesty, His Majesty requests your presence.
Thank you.
Let's go together.
Your Majesty, please, you're safer here. Here, the doctors will take proper care of you. I don't know why you are insisting on going home. Please, stay here so they can take care of you.
I want to go. Take me out of this place.
The doctor already said your heart is weak. So how are you going to cope at home without the help of the doctors and nurses? How? Please.
It is the doctor's heart that is weak, not my heart. I want to go home.
Okay.
I make myself clear.
Can you listen to yourself? You're not even strong to speak. Look at the way you're talking. If you say so, let me go and see the doctor now. I'll tell him what you have said.
Oh no.
My prince.
I've been expecting you. Did you get a hold on my brother?
No, my prince. We met his absence. His wife said that he went for his primary election, which is today.
What? Why is he so engrossed in politics instead of his own family?
I guess we shouldn't be too fast in judging him. Besides, he's close to becoming the next governor of this state.
Babi, it is my father's health that we're talking about here. His health is deteriorating by the day. He should leave every other thing that he's doing and be here.
His wife is here.
There is my daughter.
She's here.
I want to ask you for a favor.
Anything, Daddy. You know I will do anything for you.
Don't let enmity come between your brothers. Don't even allow anybody to come in between them, not even their wives.
Daddy, why are you saying all this? You're still here with us.
You're my only daughter, my only eye. Please, do that for me.
My queen, why are you talking like this? Your Majesty, how come no one informed my husband and I that the king's situation is this critical earlier than now? Because we didn't know about this.
Victor has called your husband severally, but he claimed to be busy with campaign. What? He didn't even give him a chance.
As the crown prince, his father, the king, wants to have a word with him. I wonder how he could ignore the king's order. Apologies, my queen. I sincerely apologize. I was not aware of this. I'm just hearing this now. Please excuse me.
I came as soon as I heard. Your father was down. How is he faring?
He's just there. He wanted us to bring him home so the doctors can take care of him from here.
I hope he recovers soon. What about you? How are you doing? Girl, you look stressed.
My sister, it has really been a very hectic day. From the hospital, back home to taking care of my father's need.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Trust me. Okay?
I hope so.
Alright. So,
I really hope so. What can I offer you?
really? I will forget that one, Joe. Offer me.
Hey, darling.
I demand an explanation to why you have refused to heed your father's calls.
But I explained to you, the stakeholders insist on a meeting with me.
And since when do political ambitions become more important than family? See, honey, we discussed this. Family first. That will help keep your head focused. That was what we said.
I am focused.
No, you are not. Because if you are, you would be here right now. Honey, see, as the first son and the heir apparent to the throne.
Incoming governor.
Well, you are not the governor yet, Harry. And until you become the governor, family first. I mean, you're supposed to be here by your father's side, but you are kilometers away. What is wrong with you? Honey, I need you to come home right now.
Take it easy, baby. I'll be home tomorrow morning. I promise.
Harry, Ikechukwu Oduenye, I need you to come home right now.
That is uncalled for. Why would Prince Harry continue to disobey his father's call?
We blame that on politics. He is presumed to become the next governor of our state.
Even at that, he could have spared some time to honor his father's call.
Yes, but let's hope he listens to reasons. Who knows if the king will get well soon? We pray. I got a candle.
It's like Oga Pukwa red candle.
Go and get my phone. Let me ask the doctor if I am to give him the second dose of his medications.
Okay.
Hurry.
Okay.
Okay. Hey. My king, please. Hurry now! My king, what is it? My king.
What is going on?
Hey!
Daddy!
Igwe!
Daddy!
What is it?
Daddy! Daddy!
Please stop! What is it?
Daddy.
Hey!
Daddy.
Somebody help me!
Daddy!
Igwe!
I'm here!
Igwe, please don't do this to me! Don't do this to me! Igwe, don't do this to me! Igwe! Ha!
Daddy!
So Please. Come on, I don't know what is happening to him. He's convulsing. He's convulsing. Get the doctor. Call the doctor. You call the doctor. The family doctor. Yes, call him. My phone, I do not have his number. Let me have one. Yes, my phone. Let me have the police phone. Come. Remove that. So he will breathe. He's convulsing. Just stretch his hand. Stretch his hand. Stretch his hand. Keep stretching it. Get the phone! Quick!
Welcome home, my prince.
Oh no.
My prince.
What's going on?
We have been waiting for your arrival.
I see. Where is my father?
Inside his chambers. Your mother has not been herself.
Divert all my calls for the next 1 hour. I won't be available to take any calls now.
Take it easy. Your father waited for so long to speak with you. He waited for so long to speak with his crown heir. Mama, it's okay. Take it easy. Mama, take it easy. How can I take it easy? Stop telling me that. How can I take it easy? How? No. Okay, fine. Sit down. No, I can't take it easy. Leave me alone! Take it easy! No!
Hey! He came Maradunu. Odogun. Nukumo. Akate Shiva Agogo. Oh! Hello. It's okay to get in now.
Please excuse me for a moment.
Sorry.
Namo. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I was not there to talk with you before you left.
I'm sorry. I was going to call you to give you the good news. Our family is about to be on the top pedestal of the state. This family is about to become a power block. That's going to make us proud. Now you're not here to see all of this. I'm sorry. I was told you're back. Father wanted to speak with you so badly, but you were nowhere to be found. Sorry. There were circumstances beyond my control. I didn't do this intentionally.
How could Father leave us like this? He had so much life in him. He's not supposed to die now.
It's okay, Victor. Remember, Father prepared us for this. Rest in peace, Father.
My friend, you have beautiful clothes in here. I don't even know which to choose right now. Which do I choose? Oh, they are so fine. I'll go for this. I like this one. How much is this?
Sandra, wait. Did something happen in your family? You don't even know.
I don't understand. Everything was fine before I left the house.
Okay, if you say so, fine.
Which one is okay if you say so, fine? This is what I don't like about you. I hate this attitude of yours. It disgusts me. If you want to say something, say something. Stop going through the corners. Look in my face and tell me what it is. What's the problem?
Hey, your father-in-law is dead. The news is everywhere. Yes.
Hold on. Jesus. 20 missed calls? I'll be right back. Hello, honey? Honey, is it true?
Yeah, what happened? What kind of friend is this? She's not even aware of what is happening in her family. God! Oh, wow. Ifeoma, come and take this thing back. Fast. Hey, Sandra, you can never change. Arrange it very well, okay?
Mother, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Mother, why are you doing this? Mother, I've been looking for you everywhere. I was told you didn't want to eat your food. What's going on?
How do I eat? But tell me, how do you expect me to eat? I feel so empty. I don't even know what to do. How can your father leave me at a time like this? I don't even know what to do.
Don't talk like that. I understand how you feel. Okay, yes, that is normal, but you want to leave us like he did. I am here for you, Victor, Harry, we are all here for you. Okay? Please, take it easy. Mother. I will always take care of you. Okay, come, so you can eat your food. And you know you have to take your drugs.
Yeah. Mono. Yeah. 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 Mono. Yeah. Mono. Yeah.
Oga, they don't know, man. On behalf of myself, my younger brother Victor here, and the entire family, we wish to offer our profound gratitude to all of you for the very important roles you played during my father's burial. We do not take that for granted. We wish to say we appreciate and thank you very much.
Thank you, Prince Harry.
Thank you.
And Prince Victor. Oh no, you're welcome. On behalf of the Council of Elders, I convey our sincere and heartfelt condolence to the family. King Godwin was a man of peace, a man of integrity, and successful too. He loved our kingdom, with all his heart. We will surely miss him. Oh, may his gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
According to our tradition, our throne is vacant and needs to be filled.
You're right.
Prince Harry, you are the next to be crowned king.
Long live the king.
Hey bro, how are you doing?
Good. Hey Harry.
Hi Victor, how are you?
I'm good. Listen Harry, I know you're not too excited about Ono's earlier announcement. I totally understand. But life goes on.
I'm not interested in the throne.
Sorry? What did you just say?
Listen, Victor. I have been nominated as the flag bearer by my party for the next gubernatorial elections. That means I am this close to becoming the next governor of the state. Something I've dreamt of all my life. I've dreamt about this since the first day I entered politics. As you can see, the polls are in my favor.
It's a good thing. But you could still become the governor and also king at the same time.
What nonsense are you talking about, Victor? How does one become king and governor at the same time?
No, but I'm sure there's a way around this. It could work. It could.
Anyways, I have no such intentions. Okay? I do not wish to let this opportunity pass us by. I intend to be governor. That's my utmost desire. Moreover, you and I are brothers, so the kingship can still remain in the family.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Take up the throne.
What? Harry?
From me to you, Your Highness. Take up the throne, bro. It's still in the family.
Excellency ni anyị mambo onye chi mere eze mmadụ apụghị ịkọ ya mambo onye chi mere eze na mmadụ nwanyị dị mma asa nwanyị dị ka m
Mama, you really need to stop this Her Excellency thing you are doing. Stop, Okwaefa.
Shut up! Okay, what do you know? Huh?
I know a lot. I also know that fake pretense and fake assumption of who you are not is a big crime in the society. And it might make people to have bad intentions for you.
What a great huh? Listen. My son-in-law is the incoming governor of this state. And he has assured me of my security. So relax.
Then wait till he becomes the governor of the state. Wait till he becomes the governor. Wait.
What a crazy. If I hear him,
Ma, stop this thing. Stop deceiving yourself.
Okay, chief, know that you are my daughter. I will put you behind the bars of DSS. Huh? My phone is on. My daughter. Oh, sorry. Her Excellency. Her Excellency, the First Lady of this state. Yes. I know my daughter. Oh, Bomuba for Molunye governor. How is my son-in-law? Chai. Chai. Oh, listen, Her Excellency Nidani Mambo. Her Excellency Nidani Mambo. Onye chimereze madapuik. Her Excellency in-law. Nothing. No, I'm just here drinking my tea and getting ready for CWO meeting.
Hey, Mama Chama, Mama.
Can't you see I'm on a call with a top government official? You know, I'm not one blah. Yeah, sorry, my daughter. Sorry, Her Excellency. Yes. Okay, we'll talk later. Bye. Bye.
Mama Chama.
Because stand up from here.
Hey.
Huh? Go crazy. Go crazy. Why? But why? Why have you forgotten so fast? Have you forgotten that my daughter is the incoming First Lady of this state? Huh? You don't know my name again? And you're calling me Mama Choma?
Mama Choma, I didn't know that your daughter is the first coming governor. Sorry.
Her Excellency, ma. Her Excellency, ma.
Call me name.
Her Excellency, ma.
Repeat.
Her Excellency, ma.
Like a siren.
Her Excellency, ma. Her Excellency, ma. Her Excellency, ma.
You can sit down.
Hey, why are you doing okay?
Kedo.
I'm not coming here. This one that you are taking, what was there?
Do you need one?
I need though. I need the payment.
I'm actually preparing for the CWO meeting. Ogechi! But tell you one bottle of beer.
Hey, what? Why are you in charge? In fact, Her Excellency, ma.
I will put your name in the people that will give mobilization.
Her Excellency, ma.
You are blessed.
Her Excellency,
You
ma.
are blessed.
Oh, I was in one. Hey, what?
Bring beer. We're down there, beer.
Mama.
You are back. I was beginning to get worried. Yeah? Were you able to meet your sister Chum?
I did not see her. I don't even understand today's market. No customers. Everywhere was so dry. I couldn't even finish my sales. I had to give it to Mama Ifoma to help me.
It's okay, but you sold some.
I tried.
It's okay, just go to the kitchen and eat your food. I'm prepared to make evening soup.
Oh, okay. Hey, Mama, that reminds me. While I was coming back from the market, I walked through the palace. It is certain that Igwe is really dead though. People were just walking in and out.
My dear, he is a king. And his dad is so sad. Everybody is sad in this village. Just let me not disturb you. Go to the kitchen and eat food. Let me go and get more leaves, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Go to the kitchen. Yes, Gary is there too.
In the early days of our marriage, this has been your father's tradition. Staying together and drinking, making merry.
Yes.
So, toast. This is a toast to that. Unity, love, oneness and understanding.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. You know, me becoming the next governor of the state will put this family on the political map. And that will span generations.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, my love.
Thank you, darling.
Ah, no. Long live my king.
It is well with you.
Hey, Her Excellency, do not forget to pay homage to the Queen.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, my queen. Long live Her Majesty.
What's that?
More hailings, hail me, baby. Hail me.
Oh my God, King, you've got a crazy queen.
More, my hand is hanging, baby. Do
Okay,
it.
long live your queen.
More.
I'm done.
The queen of the kingdom. The one and only Italian queen.
Sandra, you're so crazy.
Oh my God.
That was nice. So, what next? Where do we go from here?
That's what I'm about to say. The Onowu and the elders and council will have to be informed. They know the next step to take.
You have a point, Mom. In that case, we have to summon them or... Sorry. It's time. Her Excellency and myself have a social function to attend.
Be careful.
All right.
Your Excellency.
Mother, I'll keep you posted.
No problem.
Okay, Mom.
Always watch your husband's back.
I will.
And not to worry, we will run the kingdom.
Yeah, while we attend to the affairs of the state.
So, Mom,
Yes, darling.
Who's there? Come in. Chioma.
Sandra, you're here. to think that I've turned the whole house upside down looking for you.
So why is the house still standing?
Well, beats me.
First lady. Your Excellency.
Oh, please. So, can I come in?
Sure.
So, baby girl, I came to find out what you are up to. What's your plans?
My plans?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I have been thinking of the powers we will both control in a long time. Your husband, the governor, my husband, the king.
My darling, that's true though. But first thing first, there has to be an election before we rule. So that brings me to you. Let's talk about the one at hand. What are your plans for the coronation? Because I know you've got plans. You've got plans.
She knows me too well.
Of course.
You want to know what my plans are?
Please shoot.
Come with me. Follow me to my store.
I see.
Be my guest.
I'm your guest.
Are you blind? Didn't you see me? So, there is no respect again in this village.
What have I done wrong to you this afternoon, Machoma?
You're asking me a question. Huh? You can ask me. Oh, Muba for governor. He said, oh. Did you answer oh? Because I'm not with escort.
Madam, I am sorry.
Huh? What is sorry? Huh? I don't need your sorry. I will shock you and call the DSS for you.
Please.
I will
please. Machoma, please.
I will call.
Don't
DSS.
call.
Hey,
Please.
don't beg me.
Please.
Don't beg me. You're still calling me Machoma. You don't know my name. You're still calling me Machoma. Hold on.
Her Excellency, please. Her Excellency, I'm begging you, don't call. Please. I am sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. Her Excellency, please. I was not looking.
Shut up! You're making noise.
Her Excellency, please.
Lupin. Governor. Governor Omuneku. Yes. And I am. In fact, it's okay. I will call back. It's like she's begging. Okay. Listen.
I'm sorry.
Don't sorry me. You can only be safe. Oboniga the lawyer. Call me name.
Her Excellency.
Again?
Her Excellency.
Mantagi, because I'm not with escorts. I got that escort name, siren. You have to now be my siren. Pick this umbrella. Carry it and follow me. Be a good siren today. I want my column. Go to my back.
Her Excellency.
My back.
Her Excellency.
And call me name.
Her Excellency.
Let's go.
Her Excellency.
Again.
Her Excellency.
Call me name.
Her Excellency.
Get out of me.
Her Excellency.
You are not calling me.
Her Excellency.
Call my name.
Her Excellency.
I say call my name.
Her Excellency.
Again.
Her Excellency.
Siren.
Her Excellency. Her Excellency. Her Excellency. Her Excellency.
My elders, I greet you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. I converged this meeting because I have a very important announcement to make. I, Prince Harry Oduenyi, hereby cede the throne of my father to my younger brother here, Prince Victor Oduenyi. After all, he's also an Oduenyi.
Ndiche, you heard him.
Very well.
I know Rihoku. But, Prince Harry, are you sincerely sure of what you just said? We can still give you some time. In fact, a long time to think about it.
And leave the throne empty for enemies to invade and usurp? No. Victor here is the new heir to the throne. you can go ahead and crown him. He has my support.
Harry, please, I will need you to reconsider your words. After all, you have more experience of kingship than I do.
Prince Harry. That is my final decision. Victor.
Yes.
May you reign forever.
The bowing queen.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Wizun.
Yeah.
Long live my prince.
Long live Your Majesty.
My people, you've seen it. You witnessed it. Now, let the preparation begin in earnest.
And if there's any way you need my help financially or otherwise, you trust our support.
We love that. We love that.
Have it. Will you?
You know the number. When they do talk,
Alright, welcome to another edition of Showing Humanity. I am going to talk to you about something very important. A man, a young man full with grace and value. Not just that, a humanitarian, here to serve in his village, doing wonderful work. See, I don't want to say much, but I'm going to take you to him so we can get to know him better. Come along.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine, sir. Alright, so like I said, the man of the moment. Let's get to hear more for him. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Prince Harry. I am aspiring to be the governor of this very wonderful state of ours. Well, this is part of my daily routine. I'm a homeboy. I'm a man of the people. So I fry akara, I do stuff like this. I do moi, I tap palm when I want to. It's not something unusual, yeah. So even as governor, you'll still find me here trying to help her out, turn her akara balls, and sometimes share to people. That's the essence of governorship. You lead by example. That's what I'm doing.
Right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Right.
You're welcome.
So you heard from the man himself, a humanitarian. Guess what? He said something I really enjoyed. He said, I'm a practical homeboy. So we are going to be seeing a lot of him when that time comes. Have a nice day. We'll be right back.
Odogu. Hey! Who there? Hey!
What is happening? This one you are dancing like someone who won a jackpot.
My dear, I have won more than a jackpot. Standing right here before you is the next queen of Dunu Kingdom, Queen Sandra Oduenyi.
But wait, how come? I thought your husband was not the original heir.
He wasn't, oh. But my dear, my family is becoming very powerful. The original heir, which is the incoming governor, has now ceded the throne to my loving husband.
Hey! Congrats!
Thank you.
Listen, I'm going to take care of all their shebis that day.
On your business. Don't worry, when I become queen, you will get more than that. Oh yeah, tell me.
Oh, our Royal Majesty, Queen Sandra Oduenyi, the Queen Mother.
Where? Her Royal Majesty, the incoming queen.
I want boss too.
Where? This one gang.
Hey, I go pass this place.
Add.
Tell me more.
The Royal Majesty.
More.
The Royal Majesty.
Then we'll hear what?
Queen Sandra Odweni. Hey, Her Royal Majesty, the Queen Mother.
Don't bring boss so they go say carry me. I don't think I can pass this place.
This one gang. Hey, Her Royal Majesty.
Then we hear what?
Our only queen, the incoming queen. Her Royal Majesty, the Queen Mother, the incoming.
Come on, body. Who you want to impress?
Coming down.
I believe that is settled already. Yes, I'll tell the whole words, about 17 words, and oh, definitely. You can't give me all words. Yes. Okay, then I'll see you later. My first lady. How are you?
I'm good. Hold on, let me adjust you out.
Okay.
Because I want my husband to always look good and sharp before the press.
But you know your husband is good looking.
Oh, that's true.
I'm about the smartest man to ascend that exalted city.
Yes, you are. And you are also the most perfect for the seat. Honey, I'm so proud of you. And I am sure the people of the state will be so grateful for the fresh air you give them.
Yes, by God's grace.
What is it?
I just miss my father. I regret not having that last conversation with him before he died.
I know. I understand. But don't worry. I'm sure wherever your daddy is, he is so proud of you. And there are more ways you can make him more proud of you.
How?
By making sure you win the election and immortalize his name.
You sure have a way of bringing my mood back to normal.
That's why I'm your angel.
Oh, come on, you're making that.
No, I mean it. By the way, I was the one who introduced you to that joint.
Oh, yes. Oh, I still want to thank you very much. Even though they were ripping me off. How is your brother coronation coming up?
Well, coming up well. The Dunu Kingdom is full of excitement and the first stage has begun.
Okay.
So I hope you've sent your measurement to the royal designer.
Oh yes, I did long time ago. You know, I'm so ready to rock and roll. And who do we after party?
I don't know yet. I haven't seen the program for the event yet, so...
Really?
Okay. Okay, pass the bottle of wine.
Oh, take it easy. Do not go celebrating.
Okay, let's start.
Alright. Okay.
Okirikika na buko zara ruko senu. Oye si mo obri o mekini. Jidie.
Honorable. Keep your greetings to yourself, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I say keep your greetings to yourself. I cannot sit back and watch you people continue with this injustice. You want to steal my mandate and I will never allow it to happen.
I don't understand. The primaries was open ballot system. Prince Harry won it.
free and it was clear.
That is a lie. You know you're lying. Let me tell you, my legal team are not resting on their oars to restore my mandate back to me.
Honorable Ndubisi, you must exhaust all avenue to reconcile this matter before taking it to court.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense, Mr. Chairman. Let me tell you, just get ready to dance in the court because you've not seen the last of this.
If that's how you want it, then so be it.
Oh, come on, Harry. You promised to be present for the ceremony. I was looking forward to your support. Oh, yeah. Well, I understand. But everyone was looking forward to seeing you. It won't be bad to have an incoming governor as my guest. It's alright. It's alright. Oh, yes. I think she's here. She's there. Alright. I'll talk to you soon.
Obi na bom, odo na bom. Mo wala to, mo wala to. Mba na balu. Ele ko na bara obi na wa. O mo wa. O dike na. Ataka. Onu le kuro na. Everybody shi. E jari jiri ogwu. Ene woke ya na onu. O dike o ji ewe nu ara. When the eagle brushes his feet against the ground, it has either come to carry food to the trees or to pay homage to the ancestors. Prince Victor, the gods have spoken. The gods of Duru Kingdom have spoken. You will stand here and tell us when you think or where you feel very confident to be crowned the king of Duru Kingdom.
In the next 8 market days. Great one.
Hey!
Igwe, may you reign forever.
And so shall it be. You may kneel down. And so shall it be. You may rise.
Chairman, what is this I'm hearing? What's going on?
Calm down, Your Excellency. As a matter of fact, I was just off the phone with the presidency. And I never knew Mr. Ndubisi would go this extent.
Mr. Chairman, what are you saying? I mean, what do you mean? He won the party's congress. Why must you allow such a thing to happen?
Wait. Is this a joke or something? Do you know how much I worked? I worked through the wards to secure all those votes. Do you know that?
I'm aware.
Then extend the same to those voters at the National Secretariat. Tell them this is my mandate.
See, the presidency is aware of this development. Even our governor. Being our party leader and still have the upper power. He has even invited you to the presidential lodge so we can discuss this at length.
Listen to me. Like I told you and the party officers earlier, I worked very hard for this mandate. And nobody can take what belongs to me. Mark my words.
Mr. Chairman,
this is very, very unfair. Very, very unfair. We are heading to the court. You hear from us.
Are you alright?
I'm not alright. I should never have trusted the party chairman. Do you know he connived with those people to betray me?
These people will always betray you. Even your own family. Talk more of politicians. It's alright. So what do you want to do?
I'm appealing the judgment. My mandate cannot be stolen in broad daylight. Not while I'm alive.
Do we still have trust in the judiciary? Honey, you see why you shouldn't make decisions in a haste. I mean, you were so quick to give out the throne to your brother, knowing full well that you don't have the governor's seat at hand. Please. Now we don't have the governor's seat, we don't have a throne.
Can you leave my brother out of this, please? Please.
Oh, fine. I might as well leave you. We'll find a way around it. Let me take this.
I like this one. It's better than the one you brought to the palace.
Yes, now. But I told you to wait for my new shipment to arrive. I like it. Okay.
Sister, I think I like this one and this one.
Mm.
To look good on Mama with that grayish gele.
Okay. That means I'll take this one for Mama and myself. But you have to get another one for her. She can't wear the same uniform with Mama.
Okay, like that one over there. You like it?
Sister, why can't I wear the same with Mama? I want to wear the same outfit with her.
Come on now. See, Mama has a special place on that day. Don't worry. Next Ofala, you wear same uniform with Mama. Okay? Or you calculate my money for me.
Okay, my Royal Majesty.
See how she's hailing me. Wash me and finish all my money.
Sister, because you should know.
My friend, drop this thing. I've spent a lot already.
Her Excellency, you need to see how the whole villagers are buying for me. Her Excellency this, Her Excellency that. When I went to the market, you see gifts. They were calling me, give your daughter this, give your daughter. You know, Mama Konyan. She changed your napkin when you were little. She gave me something for you. Even Mama Uchu gave me your one. Oh, wow, very chido. Also go. Merensuri.
What nonsense is that? Are you mad? How many times have I warned you not to use your teeth and open drink for anybody in this house? Don't we have cup opener? My friend, drop that nonsense and go and get opener and get out of here. Okay. Mama, wait. This boy does not listen to anything I say.
Bahara, first let it see. What it has to do with own back, he hope not made your right. Please, calm down.
I've warned himself that time.
Ma, calm down. Ompa is involved. It's for me now. I'm very sorry.
Mama, we playing bingo.
Okay. So, my daughter.
Mama, how was your travel?
Very, very fine. Thank God I left earlier. I left earlier. Thank you. So, about the governorship, you know, my daughter, your face is not that bright though. Huh? Is everything okay?
It's fine.
I hope you will not make this kind of face when you move into government house. My God gave me here.
Please, can we talk about something else?
Something else. Her Excellency, sometimes you look at that as if you still know what is on board. What do we talk about if not the governorship?
We talk about the village, the people, your health. And they settle you in before we have all this kind of discussion.
My daughter, Her Excellency, sometimes like this, if you're talking, I'll be asking, what was the first lady name? Is it settling in? I know that I came from afar, but I am not tired. As long as the governorship is on board, as long as my son-in-law is the governor, as long as you are...
Please, so let's talk about something else. Leave governorship. Where is this boy? Samuel! Mama, what? Mama.
My daughter, there's one more thing I want to ask you. Sorry, let me belch like Excellency. My daughter, please, I am your mother. And you know the love I have for you is too much. Please, when you enter the government house, make sure that my room is very close, as in...
Mama.
Very close to your own room.
Go drink. Drink, we'll talk about it later. Drink, then you relax. Remove your scarf first, so you breathe.
So this, my dear, will enter. My dear, I don't even know this one for original. When I've got number. As Excellency, now I have to be taking things that have that number.
Oh,
Hey, Harry. What do you intend to do now? Because I know how much money you thrown into that Congress. This is a major setback.
Yeah, but we have filed an appeal. I'm not going to sit back and watch anybody steal what belongs to me. I'm going to reclaim my mandate.
Are you sure this is going to pull through? Because the elections is around the corner.
Not to worry, bro. I'm sure we'll win at the appeals. Enough of politics. How is the coronation coming up? How's the preparations?
I thought you'd never ask. Well, everything is going as planned. As a matter of fact, I've never seen a united force amongst the clans that make up the Dunu kingdom.
That's impressive. Not to worry, I told you, everything will go on fine. Dunu will be so proud to have you as king.
And of course, the state will be proud to have you as their excellency, our governor.
Your Highness.
My excellency. I'm loyal.
Alright, bro, I'll see you when I'm back. Okay.
Very well. Very well. Alright, bro. Be safe, bro.
Yeah.
You know, now I see why people go on long holidays after elaborate occasions. One could go berserk trying to organize an event.
But I thought the women were helping out. Besides, you were with them in the last meeting. So how did it go?
It went well. They were very supportive. You know, those that took part in the last coronation were on ground to give their 2-kobo advice. But above all, they were helpful.
Well, my love, I'm glad you're learning very fast. But don't forget to brief mother. Of course, you know she's experienced in things like this.
That reminds me, where is she? I have lots of gist to tell her.
I'm very sure you know your way upstairs, darling.
Alright, I'll see you shortly. Oh.
I'll be with you soon, huh?
Okay, darling.
You promised I would win the appeal.
But I'm not to be blamed for this. We had all evidence to back up our claims that there was indeed a conclusive primary election.
And Mr. President, we promised to pressure that dumbhead to step down.
See, there's still light at the end of the tunnel. Your Excellency, our legal team have promised to approach the Supreme Court. So we can't just give up so soon.
The audacity of hope. Mr. Chairman, do you realize the elections is in a couple of weeks?
That I'm aware. But I will advise you don't get fret over this. I believe everything's going to be alright.
Everything is not going to be alright. I worked so hard to get this mandate. And I'm reliably informed that some members of the party are working to see me lose in connivance with you.
Prince Harry!
Have a nice day, Mr. Chairman.
Still mercy. How could you just accuse me of this? Hello?
How could he allow a thing like that happen? How can we lose the appeal few weeks to the general elections?
Calm down, my prince. I think we can still find a way around this.
Don't ask me to calm down. I had my reservations about that lawyer, remember? But you kept assuring me that he was competent. Now look at it. We have lost the appeal, we have lost everything.
No, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
Like I was saying, there is still light at the end of the tunnel.
Oh,
yes.
you mommy.
Oh, listen. The Supreme Court can still give us back our mandate.
Don't be funny.
Anyways. Friend. If I'm to say, you did not lose anything. I mean, you still have the throne. Why not go and take it back?
What did you say?
The throne of your fathers. Go and take it back.
You know, my wife actually said something like that, but hey, that's not possible. I already ceded that throne to my younger brother, and he's been prepared. How do you think I'll go back and ask him to give me the throne?
Why not?
Moreover, his coronation has been fixed.
Oh, stop that. You are the heir apparent. Are you not? See, friend, losing in both ways will not go down well in the press. Yes, their reports will nail your political career permanently on a dead tree. Think about that.
Kingsley, so you are asking me to take back the throne from my younger brother after letting him go through the preparations, and do you think he'll accept it?
What other choice does he have? What other choice? You ceded it to him. So, you have every right to ask for it. Listen, friend. This is the time for you to make a mark. Yes. Remember that when one door of happiness closes, another opens. Oftentimes, we spend a lot of time looking at the closed door that we fail to realize the open one. Think about it, friend. Think about it. Yeah. While we wait the Supreme Court's judgment.
These fabrics are very beautiful. But this, can't remember ordering this one. Sandra.
Comot body for my matter. You see, when it comes to materials, I be chair lady. And that is why I brought her over. So you guys can make your selection. You know, we all need to be very colorful on that day.
Sandra will always be Sandra.
Which one you dey touch me? No, they do this kind of thing with me. I know what I'm talking about. I said we all need to be colorful on that day. And that is why she's here. Oh,
I brought this one for the royal servants. I think they need to change from their normal look that day. Trust me, Her Majesty is going to give this palace a new look.
Oh, that was thoughtful of you, my dear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's good. I mean, the designs are breathtaking. I love it. So, ladies, which color are we choosing?
Queen Mother, Queen Mother, Queen Mother, Queen Mother. Queen Mother. You know, say if one king comot, another king go take over. As the incoming queen of this great kingdom, I would like you to make your choice.
My daughter, I am getting old. I might be colorblind.
You're not.
Please, Chioma, I would want you to choose for us. Trust me. Anyone you pick, I will accept the verdict.
Mother, you mean me?
Chioma, you, of course.
Oh, Mother, thank you for the honor.
You're welcome.
Okay. Hi. Let's see what we have here. Okay, these are for the meats, like you said.
Yes.
Not bad.
Like we have always done in the past. Usoro clan redeemed their pledge of 2 cows. They also promised to be duly represented that day.
Very good. That's right. I hope you have extended invitation to other kingdoms, especially Umudulu.
Yes. Yes or no? They too have pledged their total support.
That's right.
To the new king. Each of them also donated 2 cows.
Wow.
And promised to bring other items.
Yes.
Ketchup!
Yeah.
Ketchup!
Yeah. My elders, let us not forget my elder brother's political associates.
Oh, yes.
They need to be well taken care of.
Thank you.
Is that not Harry?
Greetings, brother. What a surprise. Your Excellency.
Your Excellency.
My governor. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency.
When did you get back?
Your Excellency.
My governor.
I have come to announce that I am here to reclaim my throne.
Harry, how's that even possible? You said you were not interested in becoming king of Dunu Kingdom.
And as you can see, I am interested.
But we all know that you are the next governor of the state.
Keep that aside, Ono. We all also know that I am naturally the heir to this throne in question. It is my birthright. So I have come to demand my staff of authority.
Prince Harry, you are joking. I say you are joking. We don't do things like this here. We have tradition.
Yes.
You better retrieve your steps. Or else!
My staff.
Oh no.
Is he nuts? No. He must be some kind of drugs. I don't understand. Why will he come back to take back a throne he already ceded to you?
It took a while for his words to digest. I mean, how?
You're not giving up that throne. Do you understand? Harry will have to kill me first before he can get close to that throne.
Exactly. Same thing I told him. He wants to make us a laughingstock before the kingdom.
And he has failed. He has failed woefully. And I know that his useless wife put him up to this. We never forced him to cede the throne to us. He gave us willingly and we're keeping it. And that's on period.
Of course. I did not ask for this. I did not beg for this. The throne is mine and mine to keep. Do not worry, I will not give up my darling. I will not.
Who could have pushed Harry to come up with such a decision at a time like this?
I wonder. Mother, can you at least continue trying him? Let's find out from him for sure.
Can't you see I've been trying his line? And it has not been connecting. Harry should know that any bad decision he takes now is capable of destroying this family. Let me call Chioma.
I've already tried her number, it's not reachable. Mother, what are we going to do?
All we will do is to stop him from destroying the happiness of this family that took your father years to build.
And Victor, have you managed to reach him?
You should have seen how furious he was. What are we going to do?
I know what to do.
What are you going to do?
Harry, did you say you want to take back your throne?
Yes, Mama.
Who gave you that kind of idea?
Because it's my right to be king.
Exactly. I mean, we gave up the throne in the first place because of the governorship position. But since that one didn't work, it's right to take back what belongs to us.
King of where? I'm asking. King of where? Don't tell me that you want to leave a whole governor and go for King of Bush.
King of Dunu Kingdom, Mama.
Harry. Choma. Oh. Hey, ndechetemo. Agwosala hahanya. Emeri eme. Oh.
are you crying?
Oh. Hey! Hey, Charana, it's it.
Mama, hold on, wait. Are you actually crying?
Choma Nkem.
Oh, Guinea.
Choma, have you forgotten that they call me Afomuru? Choma, have you forgotten that they call me Her Excellency? Chai.
Mama, why are you talking like this?
And Harry, whether you like it or not, you must be governor.
It is not our making. INEC decides who becomes governor. It's the voters that count.
INEC? Who is INEC? Give me his or her number. Let me give him a call. Let me give them call. But whoever they are, I must call them. Give me their numbers.
Mama, it is all the same thing. Nothing has changed. I mean, we're still in the position of authority. Eh?
My Excellency title. Who got him? If you even want me to go, tell me, let me carry my bag and go.
Mama, you are beginning to cry more than the bereaved though. I was the one deprived of that position. I don't know why you're taking it this far.
Breaking my heart is not the best.
You can even keep her excellent. Let them keep calling you her excellent. Oh, Fina, it's the same thing.
Impossible. You have already turned your back on your throne. In fact, in a matter of days, Prince Victor will be crowned king.
I do not have water in my mouth while talking. Have you forgotten that throne belongs to me? I am the crown prince, and that throne is mine by birth.
Yes, and you categorically gave up your right without considering the consequences, the risk involved.
I want my throne back. Why are we even discussing this? That throne is mine, has always been. Why are we making a mountain out of a molehill?
Because you stated it, and I will
inform the council that I am ready to ascend the throne and willing to compensate you all for whatever inconvenience this turnaround has cost.
I'm on the quest for power. I'm here to take the power. Why the greed we have for power? Why are we chasing these ambitions? Hatred growing in the blood becomes war. Brothers killing one another. Tell me why.
Look at this idiot. Are you mad? Play a fool.
What is it, mad dog? Why are you shouting my name?
Tell your husband not to be a clog in the wheel of progress. Warn him.
And what is that supposed to?
You know exactly what I mean, bitch. Your husband was never interested in that throne. Few days to our coronation, he barges into our house requesting for the throne. Who does that?
Well, mad dog, you know quite well that this throne we're talking about belongs to my husband. He is the rightful heir to it. So it is absolutely normal for the owner of something to want it back. After all, he gave it to your husband to hold on to for him when he's ready. Now he's ready and he needs it.
I see.
Yes.
So you have been the one behind his actions? You've been the one feeding him those lies? Really?
Well, from your action, it's very clear to me that you are delusional. Now I need you to carry your crazy ass self out of my compound. Get out.
Wait. Excuse you. Who are you talking to, me?
You.
I should live where?
Leave my house. My compound.
You call this carton a house? No wonder. I see. You're no longer comfortable in this carton. That is why you told your husband to come and get the throne, so you both can come and live in a mansion. But guess what? You will remain in this carton forever.
Get out of my house.
You will not come to my house and insult me. So get your crazy ass self into your box and drive out of my compound. You're not silly, stupid.
Did you just slap me?
And I will do it again if you don't behave yourself. Now get the hell out of my house.
You're stupid. You're mad. Don't you ever lay your filthy, dirty hands on me again.
In my own house? Yes. You just...
Somebody wants to tell me. Hey, let's finish, girl. You have to kill me. I will punch you. I will punch you.
What has come over you? Oh no,
Mom.
Mother, it's entirely her fault. Since my husband was presented as crown prince, Chioma has been grumbling and displaying utter wickedness everywhere.
Cheap liar. What then did you go to do in her house?
What else can I possibly be doing in a house? For Christ's sakes, Chioma is my co-wife. Besides, my husband will be crowned king soonest. It's only normal I extend a hand of friendship to her.
Enough. Please, everybody settle down. There's no need quarreling. Remember, to have a successful coronation ceremony of Victor here, the entire family has to be united.
I am the true king, and I will be the one to be coronated.
Well, unfortunately, I am the chosen king. Already presented to the Imobi as the heir. What are you talking about?
And that's on period. You, the first son, ceded the throne to my husband peacefully. Nobody forced you. Now you're bringing war? Oh, get ready, because I will save you that war wholeheartedly.
What is wrong with this girl? People should calm down. Let's handle this thing amicably. No.
Mommy, talk to him. Talk to him. You talk to him. What's his problem? Talk to him, Mommy. Talk to him. He's the one you should talk to.
You can now point at me and talk.
What do you mean by that?
Diabolo King Kai.
Hi, Shimo.
Ngwa now. Ino chakam nakagi. Imana happy. Abagogi.
It is obvious.
Why is this boy, this thing, why is he so invested in something that is naturally not his?
Now, okay. Why are you calling a boy?
You! I'm a man! You! Man!
A boy!
Man.
Don't try to intimidate me, my friend.
Why are you invested in this?
Don't try to intimidate me!
I am the first son of this family.
What do you mean by that? You gave it to me! You gave it to me!
Yeah, believe what I'm for.
It's okay!
Come and be king and let me see. Mua!
Stop! Sit down! Please sit! What is all this? Why
Come and have it.
Oh no, why are we going to be gone?
Now, come and take it.
Mommy, oh yeah, keep us on. Come on.
Are you sure this palace will contain us today? If it doesn't, we sleep outside. But wait, why does Prince Harry want to be the king? Does he want to be a governor and king at the same time? Anything is possible. A greedy man may want to be upstairs and downstairs. The elders better intervene. If not, blood will flow. Shut up, Biko, whose blood will flow? One person must succumb. Prince Harry or Prince Victor. I prefer to watch and see. Hey, whoa! Somebody's coming.
This is a bad idea. She will end up destroying our family.
Who cares? I don't give a hoot what happens. Okay? There will be no peace in this family until what belongs to me is returned to me.
But I think about mother.
Who cares?
Shoma, please try and talk to him. He understands you. Since he already gave the throne to Victor, let the sleeping dog lie.
But they are there. What sleeping dog? See, your own dog can decide to lie down. That is on you.
But I won't spend so much money on a dog for it to lie down and not be active. Do you understand? Hold on a minute. Now I get it. Oh, Uju, so all this while you've been planning with Sandra. Planning with her to take over the throne from my husband. So she will be the queen while I come lick her shoes.
I think you have overstayed your welcome. You can leave.
Exactly.
What?
Yes. Since you have decided to be on Victor's side, knowing fully well that I am the first son of this family and it's my right to be king, but you have chosen to be on the wrong side, what are you doing in my house? What exactly are you doing sitting on my chair?
Brother Harry, what has come over you?
Yeah.
I am asking you to not let your ambition destroy our family.
Please hold it there, motivational speaker. See, your audience are not here. They are outside. So my darling sister-in-law, please get your ass off my seat and go outside and motivate your fools. Get out! Don't call my name, family issue. I won't put my mouth in family, brother and sister's fight. You people should settle your fight there. Nonsense deal.
What's in, brother?
Can you imagine?
Sister and king.
Can you imagine? That's how they plan. They plan everything.
If I don't get back my throne, there will be no peace in this.
That's the spirit. That is the spirit. There will be no peace in the kingdom.
Sorry, Now that place I be there for my duty post, my office. I hear Oga dey talk say you should come and be going. And you know, I don't want to lose my job. Now here for the Fit family, no work for the country. Make it not go be like say you put sand for my garden because me too, I not go gree. I think you should come and be going. Your time is up, man. A point of correction, man. Please, can you come and enter your car? Let me open the gate wide so that you can come and be going. For real.
Are you insane? Have you gone mad? Are you talking to me?
Madam, me and you there here now, so I am talking to you. Madam, I beg. I know they chop banana. I prefer bole. And if I'm insane, you feel not like me because I be any other person. Please, madam, with all due lesser respect, come and be going, man. Your time is up. Over and out.
What did you say to me?
Madam, now once radio they talk, but I can still repeat myself again. Come and be going. Let me open gate for you and get out of my oga house.
I should come and be going.
Yes, madam.
And get out of your gas house.
Immediately effect, ma.
Can you kindly repeat what you said?
Unto repeat, madam, please come and get out of my oga house.
Are you mad? Have you got bananas? Do you know who you're talking to? Look at this fool. I don't blame you. I come to talk to my brother, I get thrown out. I come out here and I meet this fool.
Madam, I am not insane. And if I'm insane, you no go like me, madam. I fit run enter you. Madam, I beg, with all due and lesser respect, for the last time, can you please get out?
Are you still talking? Leave my presence now. I said leave my presence now!
To open the gate so that you can...
I said leave my presence now!
Hey! Imagine Chioma. I told you that woman is a chameleon. She has been acting uninterested all this while, not knowing she's a clog in the wheel of progress.
Fanning the flames of discord. I told you that day, I have reservations about her.
You said it too, but I was too carried away to listen to you. But you see that throne? She will not have it. My husband must be crowned king.
Yes, but not from mouth.
How do you mean?
I mean, Chioma's arms are not folded at the moment. She must be planning on how to destroy you and your husband. But wait, Sandra. So you want to fight with bare hands?
Before Uncle, what did you think I was going to use to fight her? We don't even fight first round. See, if you enter my car, there's no kind of weapon you will not find in there. There's cutlass, there's razor blade, there's hoe, there's scissors, any kind of weapon. The only weapon that is not in that car is acid. And that is because I have not found it yet. If I find acid, I will include it amongst the weapons.
Then you have to change the tide of the game. If you want to win the fight, listen, I'm going to show you the best way to win a fight. The best way to win whatever that is rightfully yours. Okay?
Bia, I don't understand the angle where they talk from. What in they play? Listen, I have told you before, if you want to talk to me, talk to me. Don't meander through the corners. Talk to me.
Okay.
What is the...
Okay, calm down. Calm down. Let me tell you.
She thinks they can just come from nowhere and take over the throne. Just like that, we'll hand it over to her husband. I swear, I wish I can just pluck out that girl's eyes.
Calm down.
I wish I can pluck it out and give it to her to chew.
But wait, calm down, Choma. You see, the devil is at work. I can feel it, I can see it.
Exactly.
Our enemies are at work. And all we need is to pray.
Can you imagine something we gave somebody to hold on to? When we come back, we take it.
Which is the one, let us pray. Prayer is the key. Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. I have been in Chineke. Ya mere onye nwa Chineke onye pụrụ ime ihe niile eze ndị eze. Amama mati amasi ugbu a na-arịata egwu. God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob.
Yes, Lord.
Father, we are now in your presence to present our problem.
Yes.
And our problems are different.
Yes.
I know my problem is different from my daughter's problem. Yes, but God, my prayer at this moment is that you use my own prayer request to bless my daughter. She knows nothing. God, that is why I am bringing this, our problem, to your presence. God, please, I pray that you help my son-in-law, my own son-in-law Harry, to become the governor of this state. Because I know that you, that is my God, oh Lord, shall promote him from governorship to senator, from senator to vice president,
Mama.
From vice president to the president of the country, from president to prime minister.
That is not what we are praying now. We're praying for him to take over the throne. We've lost the chance of being governor.
I know, Choma, calm down. I'm coming to that. We are still praying and God is here. God is present here. It's sure to give me time. Let's continue.
Okay.
Ya mere Chineke biko gboghara maka interruption. When I see Chineke ebe nkwụsịrị wụ na prime minister. Ka I wee bugo my son-in-law from prime minister to the leader of the world. So I wish I be the conqueror like you said in your word. Chineke biko my yogo nye put me here in the biko. Do not allow anybody to take away this name that you have given me. Chineke, the name of excellency shall remain in my family. The name of first lady shall remain in my family. The name of governor shall remain in my family. Chineke.
Mama.
When are you getting one biko? He can't be like God to children. Mama. Oh, God, make a happy excellency. Any power standing against this my name, let that person die by fire. Die by fire. Die by fire. 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 Fire.
In the name of Jesus. God, I know you have heard my prayer. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Jesus. Amen. Chi. Choma. Choma. Choma.
Who are you? And what have you come here to do?
Oh, my name is Nika. I'm Sandra's younger sister. She called me to come and see her.
I see. So it's the two of you that has been conspiring to bring down this palace? Hmm?
No, I
think trying to take what belongs to me, right?
No, I think you're mistaking me for someone else. I said I'm Sandra's younger sister.
I have amnesia now, right? And if you are, what's her name? The mad dog sister, I should now fly away because you're her sister. Guards! Take this trash out of this compound.
Leave here.
But ma, she's Sandra's younger sister.
She's what?
She's Sandra's...
Are you...
Will you
teach me? You tell me
I
what
will
to
sound
do.
you. Go on.
Where
Come
the
here.
hell are you going to, young lady? Afen, move! Do you need me to teach you your job? Get this thing out of this compound!
Touch me. Boma, you know, this is totally unfair.
No, let her talk. No, let her talk. Let me hear you, young lady. What were you saying?
This is not fair. I mean, my sister has as much right as you in this palace.
Just lift her up out of this compound. Nonsense. Sharp mouth like her sister. Mama Choma! Where is this wicked woman? Mama Choma!
Who is shouting? I can hear a dog barking.
Mama Choma, so I am now a dog. Your house will soon be on fire, Mama Choma. Warn your daughter, warn her to stay away from my daughter. How dare she send my daughter out of the palace? Eh? Onto what level? Onto what level now?
Calm down. Which of my daughter are you talking about?
Oh, how many of them do you have? Choma, of course. Tell her to stay away from my daughter. She should stay away from my daughter. Oh.
No, it can't be. I know that you are not in line with political affairs. It is my duty as the woman leader to put you online. Yes, to tell you the end thing. Number one, my daughter is the incoming first lady of the state. She doesn't have time. She's a busy woman. She is busy with political affairs. Yes. So that's not how she will have time for your daughter. Your daughter. Your daughter that is among those that are giving mobilization.
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Just warn her. Warn her. Tell her to stay away from my daughter. Else, if she try me, if she tries me again,
Hey, madam. In political system, that's how we treat people. And I think it is my duty to host you. So, I want you to choose breakfast, lunch, dinner, banquet.
What are you going there? One more banquet. What are you going? Me, banquet. Me, breakfast. There.
I think
think you need DSS to visit you. You need big DSS, madam. I will send you the DSS. You need to sleep in the cell at least for 48 hours to calm your head. Rubbish. Clap trap.
Don't get yourself into trouble. Do you know you can be arrested for impersonation? Your daughter is not the first lady. Stop this nonsense you're doing.
Do you know that as I am claiming this seat, very soon you will go to the government house? First lady, I am your mother.
Mama, we are not moving into the government house. My husband is no longer vying for the governor's seat. And my husband is going to be the king of Dunu Kingdom. That's what you should be aiming at.
Wow. Which king? What kind of king? Listen, listen. My daughter, your husband cannot be a king. He is bigger than a king. Your husband is the incoming governor of the state. My son-in-law is the governor of the state, in fact. Please. You don't just say that he cannot be a king. God, no.
God forbid, Mama. Mama, do you know you're indirectly praying for my husband's downfall? Mama, stop this now. You're supposed to be on our side, not against us.
Listen, my daughter. I cannot pray for my own son-in-law's downfall. I cannot pray for His Excellency's downfall. What I am talking about is that when it comes to the side of being a king, no, I am not there. But for the side of the governor of the state, I am fully with you. In fact, your husband is the governor of this state. It is already confirmed.
Mama, Biko, Mama, see, I'll call you back later. I'm busy now.
Okay. Mother is answering call now.
Are you tired? So bad, but I know that I am a Mother Excellency. Yes, I am Mother Excellency. I am Her Excellency.
Okechi, were you actually at home when your mom left at the market today?
I was at home now.
God. If you see the way people were talking about your mom, laughing, I was even ashamed of being your friend. I said, let me come and tell you.
So you left your house to come here and insult me?
No. Just I saw the thing was so embarrassing. See how people were laughing. The worst part of it is that the way she will raise her shoulder like this up, the next thing you hear is that she'll pick her phone. DSS! It's the DSS for me, God! If you see, people were talking.
Who were they faithful?
All the villagers are talking about your mom.
Faithful? My mother.
What's that?
I have tried. I have preached. I don't even know who gave her the idea to be just.
Ogechi, Mama, you are gossiping with your mother.
No, I'm not gossiping. She came to return the assignments that I gave her.
That the devil gave you?
Yes.
The devil has given you assignment to be gossiping with your mother.
But it's not like that though.
Yeah, this thing must be from the village. They must have sent this thing from your father's.
No, Mama.
Ogechi! Ogechi! You can think about it, Ogechi!
What is it doing here?
Your Excellency, special business. See this man. This man say he wants to see you. I say no, Oga, go. My Oga no want to see anybody. He say he wants to see you. I say Oga, go. My Oga no want to see anybody. And I no want to enter around. See where call land us. Mingo, Your Majesty, Your Excellency.
Leave us. Hurry. You see, you are my elder brother. So it will be so uncultured to be a daggers drawn with you over the throne. So I'm here to make a proposal. Allow me be king, and I promise you
After my reign, your sons will continue your legacy. I come in peace.
You come in peace. Are you done flexing your muscles? The last time we met, we were at daggers drawn.
You willingly gave up this throne. I begged you to reconsider, but you insisted.
Well, that was because I wanted to represent the family at the government level. I wanted to become governor. You know what that would have done to this family. Or rather, would have done for this family. But now that that dream is lost, I want you to hand me back my throne, and I will give you some of my inheritance.
What?
Yes. At least that way your future is secure.
Now that sounds like a broad daylight scam.
I was not expecting you. Is everything alright?
Everything is not alright, no. Isn't it obvious that I am at daggerhead with my brother? He is persuading me to give up the throne for him.
And that is impossible. You have already been presented to the Imobi. And two heirs cannot be presented at the same time. Except another family. Which you know it cannot be done this time.
Then give the throne to another family.
My prince!
Will you head me or no? If my brother will not allow me sit on our father's throne, then you should give the throne to another family.
Why the greed we have for power?
Have a good day, you know.
Why are we chasing these ambitions? Hatred growing in the blood becomes war. Brothers killing one another. Tell me why, oh why, oh why is our back against each other? Oh
no, over my dead body will I allow that to happen? Please, do not heed to whatever he tells you. He's just a child.
Time compels us to hurry, Your Majesty.
Oh no, I promise I'm going to look into it. You have been my husband's most confident and loyal friend. Thank you for bringing this to my notice.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'll be on my way.
It's okay. Thank you.
Mother, what's going on?
Is it not your brother? He wants to destroy all that your father labored for.
How? What did he do?
He wants to give up the throne.
What?
Victor, so after all your hassles and exposures, you want to give up the throne? Really?
What will you have me do, my darling wife? Isn't it better I give it up so we all can have peace?
By destroying all that your father has built? Ah, Victor, I am so disappointed in you. How could you be this insensitive?
You know, when he mentioned it to me, I thought he was joking. Harry already ceded the throne to you. In a matter of days, you are going to be crowned king.
Brother Victor, your wife is right. I understand you're under immense pressure not to be at crossroads with Brother Harry, but we do not support you requesting another family to take the crown.
Exactly my point. If you do not need the throne anymore, hand it back to your brother. Better still, sit up to your responsibilities. Excuse me.
Good day, Mama. Oh, sorry. Good day, Mother Excellency. I came in respect of what I told you the other day.
You mean you want my son-in-law, the governor, to help you get a job?
Yes, Mama. Sorry, I forgot. Yes, Mother Excellency.
Try not to forget, young man. There are DSS on the fence watching. Oh yes. And even cameras watching us. So you better behave yourself.
Okay, Mother Excellency, I understand.
You have to go home. We'll make another appointment so that I will find out when it is right to see my son-in-law, the governor.
Okay, no problem. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Mother Excellency. I'll be on.
Bow while saying that. Greet me like an excellency.
Thank you very much, Mother Excellency. I appreciate it.
You said you're a graduate, but you do not know how to greet excellencies. How?
I'm sorry, Mom.
Claptrap.
Oh, there's no way passing through. Seeing your brother at each other's neck.
Don't you have uncles or a relative that can at least try to call them to order?
They are mature and should be able to caution themselves. I don't know why Harry suddenly woke up and decided to stare the hornet's nest.
Has it always been like this? Fighting, tearing each other apart? Oh. Your home must be a battleground for those two grown-ups.
No. We've always been a close family.
Really?
Just the way my father set it to be.
Father, you know you are my hero. Yeah. And I will never do anything. In fact, we will never do anything to bring disrepute to your name.
Of course. I hope so, because I've got my mother on my being a canna.
Amen. Mother.
My husband.
And I'm better help. Anyway, there is something I want to show you.
Okay, what's that?
DK! DK!
Yes, Your Highness.
Go and get me broom.
Right away.
Broom?
I wonder.
Dad, what do you want to do with the broom? Just wait. When did?
My king, what for?
Maybe we have to sweep the whole compound.
Well, you hold this.
Hey, Daddy has turned the magician.
You hold this.
Ancient magic. Ancient magic. African magic.
I like that. Take this. Are you their mother? Take this.
I like this game.
Oh, it's not a game. See? Can you break it? Just break it.
Like, break it into two.
Yes.
I've done that already.
No,
I've split it in different forms.
No, just break just one.
Look at
it. Okay, look at it.
No. Throw one away.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can all of them be the same?
No, it's broken.
Okay, you break this into two.
This one is hard work. I can't break a bunch of food.
How possible is it to break this together? Huh?
My husband, I don't understand.
What my two brothers cannot do.
Maybe you can do better.
Daddy, what are you up to?
Yes, you see, nobody can break this. Unity is what? Strength. I don't want you people to allow outsiders to come in between you. There's a saying in our place, "Anyokoma million or fofu." When we all urinate in one place, it will foam. Good form and good smelling. One neck about from mad. My blood is on all of you. I'm not blood of separation. I don't want to hear that tomorrow one of you has gone to court to challenge the brother. Come in between your people. Don't let your wife to come in between your people. I have no other child or I have no children outside. I don't even have a concubine. Your mother can attest. I did not have anybody that has any child for me outside. Because if I hear any of you has gone separate ways with the brother, I will cause the person from beyond. Don't say I did not tell you. And you come 1 million or Megini or 144. Please don't let anybody come in between your people. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Father.
Yes,
Father.
So not tomorrow, my wife will say, that's why your brother is cheating you, or your brother is taking it. We are not one neck ofunne. Yakeja, we are one neck.
Yes, Father.
Maka metiku na jalam mangu wherever I am. Don't say I did not. Ag metiku no mangu ijele unu ma etenwegwe.
It's okay. I think you need a fresh air. Let's take a walk. Cheers. I'm sorry. Power is intoxicating. It blinds your reasoning so much that you can never differentiate a friend from a brother.
Like they always say, there is light at the end of the tunnel.
Just as I hope they don't turn up dead before hitting the light. It's okay.
My princess, you sent for us.
Yes, I did. Prepare vegetable salad and rice for my friend and I. I'll be back in 30 minutes.
Okay, my princess.
You?